The institutional arm race continues as AMF files for a Bitcoin ETF. They're one of Europe's largest asset managers with $2.3 trillion under asset management. They join a host of institutional investors that have filed for a Bitcoin ETF over the last couple of weeks. As of right now, these are just the largest players, not even all of them, but the ones with over $1 trillion. Each one of these numbers are trillions. BlackRock with 10 trillion, HSBC with 1.3, Fidelity with 5.1 trillion, Vanguard with 9 trillion. Chase and JP are basically the same, but 3.7 trillion. State Street, Citi, Investico, Charles Schwab, and many others trillion-dollar companies, all filing for a Bitcoin ETF, totaling $48.69 trillion. And these are just the major players. Now on my channel, I'm known for doing technical analysis, but in this video, we're going to do some fundamental analysis, and I'm going to show you how. Show me the charts and I'll tell you the news. I'm going to tell you what this means for the Bitcoin price, big picture. I'm going to give you my bearish case scenario, my medium case scenario, and my bullish case scenario. My most bearish case scenario for Bitcoin in this would be that Bitcoin would capture 1%, just 1% of these major institutions. Again, they're not all of them, but just the major ones would be $486 billion. If you add that to their current market cap of $588 billion, that would bring you to about $55,000 price for Bitcoin. But this is just my bearish case scenario. What is my medium and bullish case scenario for fundamental analysis? Now, my medium case scenario for Bitcoin in this market share capture is 3% of $48 trillion. This would mean that Bitcoin would capture $1.45 trillion market cap in addition to their already $588 billion market cap. This would give you a $2.038 trillion market cap for Bitcoin, or $105,000 market cap or price for Bitcoin. But that's just my medium case scenario. What is my bullish case scenario for Bitcoin? My most bullish case scenario would be 5% of the $48.6 trillion market cap. 5% capture of the 48%. This would mean that Bitcoin would capture $2.43 trillion. If you add that to their already $588 billion market cap, that would equal $3.018 trillion market cap for Bitcoin, or a price of $145,000. But why do I always say, show me the charts and I'll tell you the news? Well, I'll tell you why. Because on the charts, the macro price prediction that I've had for Bitcoin for all along is $155,000. This is within striking distance of the fundamental analysis. So when the fundamentals and the technicals line up, this is exactly what I think is going to happen. But let me know in the comments what you guys think. And follow me for more, yes, savages.
I'm hustling, 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 hustling,
It's your
hustling,
boy,
hustling,
Ski.
hustling, 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 hustling.